Want to avoid Amazon intellectual property complaints before they hit? This Seller Assistant app shows you what listings recently got IP complaints. I'll go over it in today's video. Here is the app, sellerassistant.app. That's the website. There's a link right in the description if you want a free trial and a discount code. You'll have to go to our website, but it shows all of our apps, and you can see the extension right here, IP Alert. They also have a Seller Assistant. You got a lot of different apps right here. But let's say we want to see, hey, I want to sell Hello Kitty, okay? And we want to see what items do we want to sell? Did they get any IP complaints? And right away, we can see right here that this one, see how it has an unlock? I'm going to zoom in. It has a little unlock key right here. That means that I am completely ungated for this. My seller account, I can sell this item, and you can see they're making a lot, 10,000 bought in the past month. Imagine reselling this item and making an extra 10,000 units sold, which is going to be, what is this, $100,000 a month? Crazy. But you see this right here? It shows, and it says high risk product. What this means is that recently, it did get an intellectual property complaint. So someone else was trying to sell on this, right? You can see there's 7 FBM sellers. You can see you're also competing against Amazon. You're also competing against 3 FBA sellers, and somebody got reported recently. So that's why it's high risk. Again, we can see this one right here, high risk, but we're also gated for it. So it's gonna be hard to even sell it. High risk. This one's ungated. So what we can do is scroll down and try to find some that aren't high risk. This one right here. Look, there's no high risk, only one seller, 100 bought in the past month, ungated, right? So again, this would be a good item to sell. Not high risk. Nobody's getting reported for this kind of stuff. High risk. Now we can check up different, I think you can understand how the tool works. Now we can do different things like Cards Against Humanity. And you're like, hey, maybe we can't sell Cards Against Humanity. But yes, we can. This tool makes it so easy to see. Gated, gated, ungated. So this one's ungated. We can sell this right away. And this app connects to our Seller Central account. That's how it knows if we're gated or ungated. And then they can see, but maybe we shouldn't sell this product because, again, high risk. There's been IP complaints recently. So again, we could scroll down. Maybe we could sell this game. And we're kind of looking and see if they're all high risk. So Cards Against Humanity is very, very well known for suing companies. So this is why they're all high risk for Cards Against Humanity. But Hello Kitty on the other hand, oh wait, is this one? No, this is just a card case for Cards Against Humanity. So again, that way you're not buying things in bulk from a distributor or trying to resell stuff and then you get reported. And you're like, why did I get reported? Should I sell this item? No, do not sell this item. But there's different items in the Hello Kitty plush area that you can sell, and you can sell almost worry-free. Like this one, you have another one, and kind of go from there. So this app does really help make sure you're protected and good to go. But that's it for today's video. What's your #1 tip for protecting your Amazon listings from IP complaints? Let's hear it in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, making sure you're not selling products that are getting IP complaints. If you are, we'll help you with those. Advertising, design, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working in your business instead of on the daily operations like managing your listings, making sure IP complaints don't come in. We'll manage that. We'll analyze your listings and make sure your account's good to go, and of course, increase your sales. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.